Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and today I want to show you how to join the yarn using a surgeon's knot. Place the yarn end of your finishing yarn pointing to the left, and we'll call it yarn A. Then place your new yarn, let's call it yarn B, parallel to yarn A, pointing to the right. With yarn B, place it over yarn A, then underneath, making a loop, and over again with yarn B pointing up. Now you see our first two loops. Now with yarn A, place it over yarn B, then underneath, making a loop, with yarn A ending pointing up. Now we have 4 loops all together. Now hold the 2 yarn ends together, and then place yarn B, which is the one on my right, over yarn A, which is the one on my left, and make a closing loop. Now you can see that the surgeon's knot has 4 loops at the bottom and only 2 at the top. Then start pulling them tight together all the way through using the main yarn, making sure you've got the minimal bump at the knot. And this is a closer look of the surgeon's knot. Don't cut the yarn ends yet. Continue with the stitches and pretend it doesn't exist. Then find a stopping point anytime you want, or whichever rows you want to stop. For speed, I'm going to stop at the next single crochet and lock it with a stitch marker. For better results, don't trim your yarn ends near the bulk of the knot. That's totally not advisable. It is now secure right at the point of the join. All we need to do is to hide the yarn ends at least 5 mm away from the knot. You can do this whichever ways you want. There is no right or wrong on how to do it. But of course, the main goal is that it is hidden. My only recommendation is that you hide each yarn ends away from each other. Now let's find our success. It looks good. I can't see where the join is at first glance, but obviously you will find it if you start looking. There you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you enjoy learning new things, even in smallest measurements, you're welcome to join me here on my channel. Thank you for watching.